Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to install and review LED rock crawling lights from eBay. So in the box you have your LED controller, and now this one's Bluetooth and connects up to your phone, so that's pretty cool. And then in this box you've got mounting plates for the lights. And then you've got the LED light itself. And now I've bought a kit that comes with 8 of these lights. So I was going to put 2 on the back wheels, 2 on the front wheels, 2 in the middle underneath the car, and then 2 at the front underneath the bull bar. Alright, so I've got the LED controller mounted on the side in the engine bay. Now we've just got to run power to it. So when you run any power or any electrical accessory in your car, you need to fuse it. So we'll run from the positive side of the battery a wire into a fuse. Now this LED controller, it can only put out a maximum of 6 amps or draw a maximum of 6 amps. So we'll put a 7 amp fuse in, and then from the fuse I'll run it to a switch that is rated to 6 amps or higher, and then from that switch run it back into the LED controller, and then the negative on the LED controller can be earthed out on any part of the body or chassis, or you can run it back to the negative side of the battery if you want.
Start it up.
Alright, so I've got my power cables coming off my fuse box there, and then they run up along the firewall. From there they drop down. The negative is connected directly into the LED controller, and then the positive goes inside into the dash to a switch, and then comes back out and is connected up to the negative. So now we just need to install the LED lights underneath the car. Alright, so for the LED lights I'm just going to screw them straight up into the top of the wheel well. I'm not going to bother about bolting these or anything like that because it's just doing into a plastic guard, so it's not going to damage anything. So underneath my car I'm going to mount the light here, and as there's no good way of mounting it and I don't really feel like drilling holes in my body, I've 3D printed up a spacer, and I'm just gonna stick it on with some silicone or gasket maker or something like that, and that should hold the light there pretty well, so I'll do that now. Now I've decided to just go with one light at the front as there's no need to run two, so I've just placed that right bang in the middle. It's mounted the same way that the rock lights in the middle of the body are. It's just got that 3D printed mount sealed onto the chassis of the car. Alright, so the rear wheel well light, the wiring is run up down through this guard, goes onto the chassis rail where the wiring joins in with the wiring for the middle body light, runs all the way down into the engine bay where it joins up with the wiring from the front wheel rock light, and then it runs along the firewall there, goes into this 3D printed box. I've got a lid for it, but I just haven't put it on yet. But that's to try and keep the lights nice and tidy, so hopefully that looks all good and works well. Alright guys, so this is what the lights look like when they're on at night. I'm quite happy with them. I think they're really good value for money. I've downloaded the app and used it on iOS and Android, and they both work quite well. Connects up with the Bluetooth LED controller, no worries, and it changes settings quite quickly. There's lots of different modes like solid colours, rainbow, which this is on, different kinds of flashing, and you can set it to flash with the music. Of course, you've got to have that option, otherwise it's not a party light. For four-wheel driving though, I think if you wanted something that you're going to always use for night time rock climbing and stuff like that, you'd probably want to go for something a bit brighter, so you'd want a solid LED light probably. I don't know what sort of options there are out there for that, but if you wanted something for a bit of underglow and just something to add a bit of character to your car, I'd recommend these. I think I'll put the link of these down in the description of the video. But yeah, that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.